Hello guys, how to fix your server IP address could not be found Google Chrome error on your Windows 11 and 10 system. Sometimes you try to search any websites on your Google Chrome browser and such type of message appear on your screen. Then the first and initial fixes is click on three vertical dot from the top right corner and go click on new incognito windows and try to search your sites on this windows. And if you face same issues from this windows, then go to the next fixes and clear your VPN connection. Right click on a start button and choose settings. You may press Win plus I shortcut key to launch Windows settings. Here go to in network and internet from the left side, and from the right side click on VPN and disable VPN connection first. If you have added any VPN connection, then remove it and allow VPN over metered connection, and while roaming disable this VPN connections and check whether your error IP address could not be found resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again go to Chrome browser and click on three vertical dot from the top right corner of Chrome page, and here scroll down the menu and choose settings. Now on settings page from the left side click on privacy and security, click on it and scroll down and choose clear browsing data, clear history, cookies, caches and more. Browse your Chrome browser history. From the top bar choose advanced and make the check against option browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, and also cached images and files, and finally choose clear data. Clear your Chrome browsing history and data and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, and the next one is open control panel in your system, and here look for network and sharing center. Click on it to open network and center on your control panel. Here from the left side choose change adapter settings. A new window will open. Here all your network connection available. Right click on your network connection and choose properties. Internet properties windows will open. Here select internet protocol version 4 TCP IPv4 and choose properties. In the new windows, make the check against option use the following DNS server address, and under preferred DNS server type 8888 and alternate DNS server should be 884 and 4. And finally click on OK to save the changes and check whether your IP address could not be found error in Google Chrome browser fixed or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Press Win plus E shortcut key to launch your File Explorer or Windows Explorer, and here go to this PC from the left side. Open C drive. Here go to Windows. Open it. Here look for System32 folder. Open this folder. And here you will find drivers folder. Open it, and here you will find a folder named etc. Open it and select all the files in this folder and simply remove it and check whether your Google Chrome error, your IP address could not be found resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is reset your network connection. Go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. Run as administrator, and in command prompt Windows execute these 6 commands as shown on a screen one by one, followed by enter key on each times. IP configuration release, IP configuration all, IP configuration plus DNS, IP configuration renew, IP set DNS and WinSock reset. Execute all these 6 commands one by one in command prompt Windows, followed by enter key on each times. And once successfully execution of this command, don't forget to reset.